From June to August 2021, a group of therapists from Notting Hill Therapy Clinic came together to run workshops in the local community to support those affected by the Grenfell tragedy. Our work was funded by the Grenfell Projects Fund, for which we are very grateful. Together, we ran a number of courses in the local North Kensington community at the Tabernacle, Bay 20 and the Curve. We delivered 6 hourly sessions of body MOT at Bay 20, six weekly 1-hour online sessions called Men Cry Too to create a safe space for men to share their thoughts and emotions. 4 hourly sessions of Introduction to Mindfulness and Self-Energy Healing, concluding with an hour-long conscious walk in Wormwood Scrubs. Hourly sessions of Shiatsu and Qigong at the Curve. Eight 45-minute sessions of yoga over 8 weeks, also held at the Curve. We had furry friends join us, and also wonderful gifts of food. Three 1.5-hour workshops concentrating on stress, digestion and sleep, held at Bay 20. Three-hour-long workshops held at the Curve, concentrating on weight loss, menopause and healthy aging. A 4-week course delivering meditation for sleep techniques at the Tabernacle. We were kindly donated Sleep Well goodie bags by Organa Beauty and Wellbeing to gift to the participants. A 2-hour Reiki question and answer session held at Bay 20 with the chance to experience the Reiki energy as well. A course showing you how to soothe your child with massage held at the Tabernacle over 2 sessions. A course called Homeopathy Home Prescriber held over 4 sessions at Bay 20 that equipped participants to treat many emotional and physical ailments with homeopathy. We were kindly donated free first aid homeopathy kits by Helios, which we were able to give to participants for free. 8 45-minute sessions of clinical Pilates aimed at beginners and held at Bay 20. Tapping or emotional freedom technique classes at the Tabernacle aimed at children to help them deal with anxiety. And finally, we would like to say thank you to all our therapists who work so hard to provide such high quality and valuable support to our community.